Which vibrator is best for a beginner? With so many to choose from, today I'll show you the #1 vibrator which is perfect for beginners. What is the best beginner's vibrator? Well, look no further than the Lily vibrator. This is one of the most popular beginner vibrators to choose from. Let's take a look why. So this is the Lily vibrator itself. As you can see, it's got a beautiful pink and white colour. It's very simple to control the vibrations using the control panel at the bottom. The bottom button is the on and off power button, and the top button is to change the vibrations. The pink part here is made of a body-safe silicone, and it's also flexible as well, so it'll feel very comfortable to wear during use. It has a curved shape just here to effortlessly find your G-spot, and also has a clitoral part just here as well, which is also flexible. So you can enjoy double the stimulation. There is a powerful motor in each end, and it comes equipped with 10 speeds as well, starting with a softer vibration, meaning it's perfect for beginners, and then you can slowly work your way up and explore the different kinds of vibrations as well. Simple, easy and comfortable to use. Definitely the beginner vibrator for you. If you found this video helpful, why not like this video and check out our other product videos? Perhaps you have a question you would like to ask us. Why not leave a comment and we'll help you with your question.